All right, we're going to do a quick demo here of YouTube Creator AI, how you can use this tool here from idea to a script. Okay, so let's go ahead and ask our helper here, what's going on with Hugh Jackman? That'd be great. That'd be good for a YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to prompt it here. Hugh Jackman's a popular subject for my particular channel, but you can prompt this for anything, whatever video topic, whatever subject. It's going to take a little bit longer, but it's going to pull up Google Trends, see what's going on with Hugh Jackman, and give us some video idea concepts. So be patient, but so it kind of gives us a lot here. What's going on? His Deadpool and Wolverine success. That's always a good subject. Here's some YouTube videos ideas. His epic comeback, his movies, music, and more, and his relationship with Sutton Foster. So these are all great subjects here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just copy this, but I like all of these notes. I'm going to save these to notes. Okay, we'll get back to that later. So now let's go over here just to get going on maybe what a title would be. So let's copy Hugh Jackman and Sutton Foster. So I don't have to put, hey, create me a title. I'm just going to prompt our tool here. It's going to take a little bit longer, but once again, it's going to pull up to give us a good trending, updated, SEO tight, good title, optimized for all viewing devices for a YouTube video. Okay, so it's going to give us some titles here about Hugh and Sutton. Okay, so if you like any of these, so let's save a few of these. Let's save them all. Okay, if you like any of these, you can copy these, you can save them. It's going to kind of give you a why this title will work for YouTube. You can notice that some of these titles are tight and short. YouTube does allow up to 100 characters, but to make sure your title is viewed for all viewing devices, it's good to have it short and tight. Okay, so we went and saved those titles there. If you don't like these titles, you can generate more. Once again, this is the prompt I'm putting for my particular channel. You can use this for any videos that you're working on. So let's get a description as well. All right, and once again, it doesn't generate everything all at one time because you may not need these all. Our tool is something that you can go to if you just need a quick description, if you just need a quick title, but you can also get from idea to everything that you're going to need here. Okay, so it gives us a great description. You can once again copy these, or let's save these to our notes. All right, and all these things you save to your notes, you're going to go to your scratch pad. It's going to give us some long tail keywords. It's going to give us some shorter keywords here. It's going to give us a suggested file name when we upload that to YouTube. Now let's see what it does for some thumbnail concept. It's going to definitely give us some concepts, ideas to do for a thumbnail. One thing that's tricky when you're generating images though, especially of pulp culture or celebrities or just people in general, some of these thumbnail generators still make some wonky things, but and then some of them are blocked for privacy. Okay, so it gives us a concept, some suggested captions. So these are some captions you can overlay on top of your thumbnail. Now it gives us a prompt that we can definitely put into your own image generator. But let's see what it comes up with. So we can do a pop art, a modern comic, anime. So let's do a pop art image, okay? And if it does come a block here, if it does say it's blocked, that's perfectly normal because it's a celebrity image. But once again, this did create it, and this isn't too bad here, okay? So if you like this image, you can download it. All right. We do have a thumbnail editor here where you could move the thumbnail around. Some of those captions that we came up with, you can use them here. You can change the text color. Okay. And then once again, if you don't like this image, you can try a modern comic. Let's see what it comes up with for a modern comic. Okay. And this is a prompt. Like I said, I want to be clear. This is for my particular video. So this is a modern comic. This isn't too bad. Once again, some of the text and stuff is a little strange here, but you're going to get that with a lot of the image generators. So if you like any of this image, you can do some editing, download it here. We have some other tools. So you can take this prompt here, copy it, and come down here to any of these and put in that prompt, it'll create an image. All right, so now that we know we're going to do a video about this here, once again, do you see how this prompt carried over from the original prompt that we put up here? So you're not having to keep on giving it prompts. Hey, now I want a video hook. Okay, it's just going to give you a video hook because you're asking for it, because it's in this box here. All right, so once again, be a little bit patient. It's going to, once say, take slightly longer than some of the other free tools that you may use, like Chat and Gemini. But once again, you're going to spend a lot of time prompting to getting the right one. So it's going to give us a few hooks here. Let's save all of these hooks. Okay, and I don't have a outline for this yet. So let's go ahead and generate a script outline for this overall video. I do use Chat and Gemini. Initially, I used to use those for some of my outlines and complete outlines here, but I've been using the script outline in a combination of my Ask YouTube AI to get me a great script for my videos. So here's a script outline for this Hugh Jackman and Sutton Foster video. So we can save this full outline to notes. All right, and something that's underlooked a lot on YouTube is to repurpose and to clip and create trailers, etc., for your long form video. So once we have this long form video done, I already want to have some ideas ready to do maybe another long form video if this video is very popular. Have some shorts and TikToks are going to be ready to go, so we can save all these to notes. And then we have some post ideas for your community. Okay, so something that a lot of people fail to forget with YouTube, if you haven't posted videos in a while, you can definitely keep your audience active and let YouTube know that you're still active by posting community posts. And a lot of times I used to use this just to announce new videos, but you can do a poll, you can announce this video, but do it more in a fun way, a quiz, and some questions that you can ask your audience here. Okay, so all these are going to be saved. I want to get an idea of what my audience is going to look like. Okay, so let's go ahead and say Hugh Jackman and celeb video. All right. So I want to get what my audience may look like for a Hugh Jackman and Sutton Foster video, okay? And this is just, so if you have a cooking channel, if you have a gaming channel, you can put this in here for your total channel to get an idea of what your ideal audience may be, or put in a specific video topic, and just to get a baseline of who you may be looking to reach. Once again, your Google Analytics is going to be the best area for this. All right, so spotlight Sophie. Somebody who loves Broadway shows, TV, and this is kind of on brand with some of the videos I've done in the past about this topic. So let's save those notes as well. Let's generate a few test ideas for some titles and thumbnails. All right, so once again, if you just wanted to, if you already have an existing title, or you want to test a few titles, you can use our tool just for this purpose. Okay, so you don't have to go through everything here. You can take your current title, put in your video topic or a current title, and it's going to give you some ideas here to test. Okay, so let's save these to notes. All right, so after we saved everything to notes, it's going to come over to our scratch pad here. Okay, so it has all those video titles that we saved. You can copy these to your own scratch pad, whatever your method is. It has our video descriptions, our keywords. So this is everything that you're going to need really for your video, except for the actual video. All right, it's going to have your script, your audience, content expansion, and all these notes. You can copy them all, or you can save them here, and they're going to come over, right, save for you everything that you saved, that you can easily, hey, you're done with your video. I like this video title. I would copy this and put this right into my YouTube video. Copy this, put this right into your video description here. All right, you can save this, all right, and print for later. All right, save to a PDF. Okay, Hugh Jackman notes. All right, and now you have this video idea ready to go for later on. All right, let's say with these titles here, you're like, hey, I like both of these here. Okay, I like both of these title, but I don't know which one. Let's do a couple things. We can go to our A/B testing lab. We can go to Ask AI, say, hey, which title is best for my YouTube video? All right, so let's copy both of these here, and we'll ask our YouTube expert to which title that we should use for our YouTube video. Here's my recommendations. Hugh Jackman, suddenly what's next for the hottest Broadway couple. All right, so this gives us a clear answer of what title is best to use, okay? So we can save those to notes, right? So YouTube Creator AI, it's totally free. It's made for YouTube creators. You're not going to have to prompt it each time. Hey, give me 5 titles. Give me a description. You're going to create one prompt and generate what you need. It's going to save to your scratch pad here. We have some other updates, some pro tips, just to keep you up to date with what's going on, with some best practices to keep your channel fresh and updated. Go ahead and check it out. YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. You can upgrade to Pro to get unlimited use. You can do a monthly, an annual, or a one-time lifetime payment. Thanks for checking out. I would love you to use it to let me know how it compares to what you're currently using now.